Guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we will be making fruit salad. Let's get started. First, I'm going to mention all of my ingredients. I have apples, lemon, orange, pineapple, and blackberries, kiwi, strawberries. What else? And we have this. And we have grapes. Yes, that's nice. That's what we will be using for our ingredients. Let's get started. Now I've cut all my grapes. Now I'm going to cut my berries. This is it. Strawberries. I'm going to cut it. Let me show you how berries is cut. This is, you cut this top. You now cut it this lengthwise and this crisscross. This is how it is cut. This is how it's cut. Let me show you one more time. You see, this is how it's cut. One more. That's it. I'm going to continue cutting the rest and I will show you the next step later. I've cut all of my fruit. I'm going to cut my kiwi. Cut it like this. Try your possible best to not cut all of them off. Try to cut the skin off. If you know the right way to cut this kiwi, let me know in the comments. Now you can use any fruit that you like of your choice. I'm just choosing the one that I like. Please like, comment, share. Tell everybody you know Adam Lola's kitchen, please. I'm going to continue cutting the rest and I'll be back. Now I'm going to use this and put it inside the pineapple. I'm going to cut it. Don't say. Now I'm going to remove the cord of this. I'm going to cut it. I'm adding the pineapple into the bowl of my fruit. Now you can eat this later, but I don't need to add it because it will be too hard for the other fruit. Now we will make the syrup for our fruit. I want to explain. If you don't want to use this syrup, You don't have to use it. You can just put it in the fridge, let it cool, and eat it. But for me, I like to add the syrup. It makes a nice textury flavor. So I'm be using my orange, my lime, and my honey. And I'll be using orange. You see that this can't work for it, so use the hand. You can use your hand. You can use this to remove the seed. You see, the seed have been removed. You can use spoon too to remove it, but just choose to use this one. I'm going to add my honey. Mix together, let it be combined, then pour it. Now I'm going to add my syrup. Add everything. And then mix together. Don't be worried, it's my spoon that fell. Don't be bothered. This will be so delicious, I can tell. It will be delicious like no other. Now I've finished mixing everything together. It just remains one thing to do, to taste. Let's taste. Just like this. It's so good and aromatic and delicious. It is source of vitamin. No, I'm telling you, it's so good. Please like, comment, share, tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's YouTube channel. And please turn on the notification bell, that bell that is beside the subscribe button. Please do it. Subscribe. Let's taste it. I'm going to try my best to taste everything at once. that I'm eating it. It's delicious. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.